I saved the best one for the last, and it's a farmer sunscreen. This is amazing not only for oily acne prone skin. The next one is actually a sunscreen which is liked by everybody that I know. मुझे सिर्फ एक issue है इस product से, that why did the manufacturers or the brand use the word Hi guys, मेरा नाम है ऐश्वर्या and I go by the name of Indian Skin Blog on Instagram where I do beauty reviews on skin and on hair. और ये मेरा आज तक का पहला long form YouTube content piece है जिसका फिलहाल 13वां रीटेक चल रहा है because I have no idea what I'm even talking on camera and I'm forgetting everything that I had prepared. But if you're still with me and I still have your attention, then you are in for a fantastic video today filled with a lot of information which is going to be on sunscreens for oily acne prone skin. It's a topic very very close to my heart and I can't wait to get started, so let's go. मेरा पहला सनस्क्रीन है एक्वोलॉजिका का D-tan प्लस Doux सनस्क्रीन. मुझे सिर्फ एक इशू है इस प्रोडक्ट से, that why did the manufacturers or the brand use the word D-tan on the packaging? Any sunscreen with a value of SPF 50 and a PA++ protection, if it's formulated well and has decent filters, will automatically not let you get tanned. So I'm not sure what is up with this keyword of D-tan over here because I feel it really misleads people. Honestly, apart from that weird naming convention, I don't have any other problem with this sunscreen. It's fantastic for oily acne prone skin. The texture is beautiful, it's very blendable, it's very lightweight. It doesn't make your skin feel chip or oily or greasy or overbearing at all. It doesn't also aggravate your breakouts, and I think it's great in its budget. Why do I think this one stands out? Purely because of the very water-like lightweight texture, the fact that this doesn't have any fragrance to sensitize your skin, and the fact that this gets absorbed under 30 seconds. The next one is actually a sunscreen which is liked by everybody that I know. इसका जब मैंने पहली बार अपने Instagram channel पर 2023 में review किया, the video went viral. This sunscreen was recommended to me by my community on Instagram, after using which I became a complete fan. ये है Deconstruct का Gel Sunscreen. ये इस पूरे वीडियो का सबसे सस्ता और सबसे ज़्यादा pocket friendly sunscreen है. But my only problem with this product is that it claims to be water resistant, and of course after having used it for more than a year now, I can say that the water resistant aspect is not the most strong qualities of this product. अगर आप पानी में जा रहे हो या आपको बाहर बहुत स्वेटिंग हो रही है तो मेरे ख्याल से ये कम से कम 20 से 25 मिनट तो आपके स्किन पे रहेगा, लेकिन उसके बाद this will start to wear off. Why do I like this one? First reason is that a lot of people already like it and I literally feel that I got influenced in trying this product out. Second reason, the texture is an absolute banger. It feels very mousse-like, it feels very silicone-like. Somehow the manufacturers achieved that without using any silicones in this product. And the third is that this has a very nice, soft, breathable, airy matte finish which feels really elegant and it doesn't get sweated out that easily. My third sunscreen is also something which is very affordable. You will find reviews of this done on my Instagram channel multiple times. You'll also find a short form review of this product on my YouTube channel. This is Dot&Key's Barrier Repair Sunscreen. This is amazing not only for oily acne prone skin but for sensitive skin, for dry acne prone skin, and for combination skin as well. What I also liked about this sunscreen is that it has apparently 5 different kinds of ceramides. Now ceramides are the building blocks of your skin. They're a very very important part of your skin barrier. And a major problem with oily acne prone skin is that हम इतने सारे actives use करते हैं, हम glycolic acid use करते हैं, हम salicylic acid use करते हैं, हम retinoids use करते हैं, तो हमारा skin barrier जो है, there are high chances of the barrier being disrupted if we overload it with a lot of actives. That's when elements like ceramides, peptides, when they are supplied externally to your skin, that can really help to keep your barrier protected intact. So from that point of view, this is a good sunscreen to have. Why do I like this one for acne prone skin? Firstly, that this has no fragrance that can sensitize your acne prone skin, and second, I love that this has ceramides which will definitely help you with skin barrier protection, resilience, and just keeping your skin generally healthy. Moving on to the fourth sunscreen in this video, and one of my absolute favorite sunscreens. I have done tons of videos around this product on my Instagram channel. Dr. Sheth's Centella and Niacinamide sunscreen. I've also used I think about like 3 tubes of this already. I've been using it since the time that this product was launched. I actually carried it with me to Singapore where I also shot a video around it, and I did not sweat using the sunscreen. And Singapore is a very very humid country.
Come to my community park because I've been meaning to review the Dr. Sheth's new Centella and Niacinamide sunscreen for you guys in real time and in the actual climate that it's best suited for, which is hot, humid, and tropical. This is a silicone-based product that contains niacinamide to control excess oil production and Centella to calm down irritated skin.
It just rains there all the time. This one actually worked in that humidity, so I was sold. Why do I like this product? This is literally a tailor-made sunscreen for oily acne-prone skin. It's also marketed as a product for oil control. I love that this has Centella asiatica in it. Centella asiatica is a great ingredient for soothing inflammation, redness, irritation. I love that this has 1% niacinamide, which is again a fantastic ingredient for oily acne-prone skin because it controls your redness. It also controls oil production in your skin. I like that this has a mix of chemical and physical filters, but even in physical filters, this has zinc oxide and this has titanium dioxide, which are two of the best known physical filters known to mankind. Yeah, so this is a great package in its budget. My only concern with this sunscreen is that it can sometimes sting the eyes, like depending on the batch that you have, there can be a bit of eye irritation with this one. That's all. This is the 5th sunscreen of my video today and my second most favorite sunscreen in the universe. This is Reequil's Ultra Matte Sunscreen. Again, I've lost count of the number of tubes that I've used of this product. I've lost count of the number of times I've recommended this product to people. I've lost count of the number of content pieces I have made on this product. This is fantastic. This is an out and out pure silicone based sunscreen, and in my honest opinion and experience, I feel silicone based sunscreens are the best sunscreens hands down in terms of their texture, in terms of water and sweat resistance, and in terms of the finish that they provide to oily acne prone skin. Why do I like this sunscreen? Like I said, it's the OG silicone based sunscreen formulation from the Indian market, first of its kind that was launched a few years back, and it still remains a favorite of so many people that I know. Second, the finish is bang on. It doesn't get affected by sweat, it doesn't get affected by water. It feels very, very lightweight, airy, and a beautiful matte. My only problem with this product is that this has fragrance, like a little bit of fragrance, which for me is completely alright. I don't mind fragrances in my products, but for people with sensitive skin, this can be a bit of a deterrent when they are out trying to make a purchase for oily acne prone skin based sunscreens. I saved the best one for the last, and it's a Farmer sunscreen. I've already finished my second tube in I think 2 years. It's Doux silicone gel. This is again a fantastic sunscreen for oily acne prone skin. Also my top pick for this video. Why do I like this sunscreen? Firstly, because it's from a pharmacy brand, so there's a little bit more trust associated with such brands. Secondly, it was recommended by my dermatologist, so I obviously have like more faith in my derm than I have in myself and whatever ads that I see online. Third, that this also has a great oil-free finish, non-comedogenic, water-resistant, sweat-resistant, lasts you a very, very long time. The tube size is great. It's just fantastic and it meets a lot of different checklists for oily acne-prone skin. That was it for today. I'm done with my entire sunscreen review. मुझे बहुत मजा आया ये करने में. तुम लोग ऐसे और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हो तो प्लीज मुझे बताओ कमेंट्स में कि तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या नहीं लगा, क्या मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे ज्यादा करना चाहिए, कैसा कंटेंट तुम देखना चाहोगे, क्या मुझे ज्यादा बोलना चाहिए, should I talk less, should I talk in voiceovers, and what should I really do to make this space happy, healthy, and more educational for everybody who is a skincare and a hair care enthusiast. And I just hope that when you're out there tomorrow trying to make a sunscreen purchase for yourself, you are able to make the right decision and spend your money in the right product and not waste it unnecessarily. That's my only hope from my videos. So I had a lot of fun doing this. Now this is me bidding goodbye to everybody who watched my video today. I'm again starting to digress and talk a lot, so I will not take much of your time. I will see you soon on another video. Goodbye.